Everyone is talking about Dubai Island. Is this going to be the next growth zone of Dubai real estate? What is worth buying there? And why this area has become the hottest investment area in Dubai? So if you have missed Palm, Blue Water Island, where the opportunity is today. So these are the questions I am going to discuss in today's video. Dubai Island is a man-made island and Nakheel Properties, which is a master developer and a government developer, has developed. Palm Jumeirah, the Ward Island and Palm Jebel Ali has also been developed by Nakheel. It's comprised of 5 interconnected islands spanning over 17 square kilometers and is designed as a mixed-use waterfront destination. It brings together luxury residences, upscale hotels, marinas, and lifestyle hubs in one interconnected coastal setting. It's just located 25 minutes away from downtown and international airport, and this time will also be reduced as government is building an extensive road network to make it more easily accessible. So it has good connectivity, it has 21 kilometers of pristine beach, it has 2 golf courses, there will be a huge mall over there, marina, beachfront hotel resorts, and the most interesting thing is it is combo of waterfront communities as well as golf course communities. Investing in Dubai Island today is a valuable opportunity, especially as this community is in its early stages of development. As we have seen, the prices per square feet in other developed waterfront communities have gone up to 7,000 dirham per square feet, whereas in Dubai Island the prices are still reasonable and you can invest from just 2,500 to 3,000 dirham per square feet. So Dubai Island is the last beachfront investment opportunity we have today in this price range, and as the project matures, investors can anticipate a significant appreciation in property values well above the Dubai real estate average. There are multiple projects from renowned developers at Dubai Island, even from Nakheel as well. But today we will discuss the project from one of the most premium developer of Dubai, that's Imtiaz Development. It's also one of my favorite developers. As you know, Imtiaz is one of the top developers of Dubai and has launched almost 36 projects all over the Dubai. And out of those, 15 projects are being developed at Dubai Island, and so far it has handed over 5 projects. Imtiaz stands for trust, innovation and lifestyle excellence. So they have very consistent track record and also deliver projects before handover time. All those investors who have invested in Imtiaz projects have made appreciation up to 80%. So they stand out in quality and delivery within time, so zero delays. So when you invest, you have to see the location of the project. It must be prime and promising as it will deliver the demand, so as to get premium on handover, and then quality which the developer delivers, and of course the market reputation of the developer. So these are important factors to consider before investing in any market all over the world. So today we will cover one of their new project which has been launched at Dubai Island. It's called Wynwood Residence. This is actually a ground plus 2 podium plus 14-story building, just walking distance from marina and have amazing views from both sides of the building. It's located in Island A of Dubai Island, so 5 minutes to beach, 5 minutes to golf course and 5 minutes to the mall. So one side of the building faces towards Dubai Maritime City. On the other side, the tower has views of Dubai Island community, and from the corner you can enjoy views of marina. So let's see what mix of units Imtiaz is offering in this project. We have 1 bedroom and the size start from 750 square feet, and there are total 86 units in this project. We have 2 bedrooms, size start from 1273 square feet, and there are 45 units. We have 3 bedrooms, size start from 1693 square feet, and we have only 4 units. We have 3 to 4 bedroom duplexes as well with the private swimming pools, and we have only 11 units and the size start from 1850 square feet for a 3 bed and 3550 square feet for a 4 bedroom. All 1 bedroom in this building are facing pool. We have corner units of 3 and 4 bedroom duplexes, and then we have 4 bedroom duplexes with swimming pools on the top floor. These are very few units. This combination of functional layouts, premium finishes and resort level comfort appeals to global buyers, families and executives alike. If we talk about prices, so it will cost you around 2,500 dirham per square feet, which is still a very competitive price for such premium quality and for a waterfront community. You cannot buy at this price per square feet in any other waterfront communities at Dubai. So this is a limited time opportunity to get an apartment in a waterfront community, and it will definitely appreciate in the years to come. Then there is another amazing feature of Imtiaz projects. They deliver fully furnished units with premium finishes and home smart systems. In this project, you will see in the renders amazing wood details and modern designs. Have a look. Now let's see the amenities of this project, which are at the first floor on top of podium. It has multi-level parking beautiful landscaping. We have huge lush central courtyard here with green promenades. We have relaxation zones, open air yoga terraces, lounge space and outdoor playing area. For fitness, we have world-class modern gym in this project. So as a whole, it offers a Wynwood way of living. Let's talk about its payment plan, which is very attractive, flexible and reasonable. This is 60-40, 60% during construction and this is 40% is on handover, which is anticipated for Q3 2027. We have to pay 20% for booking, then 40% during construction and balance 40% is on completion. So it gives an opportunity to investors to mortgage the unit on handover easily. So Wynwood Residence by Imtiaz is not simply a place to live. It's a signature experience. And if you're interested in reserving your place in this exclusive waterfront community, you want floor plans and pricing or investment projections, reach out today at my given number. Your waterfront address in Dubai Island awaits you.